Welcome to Life Hack It. Today we're going to have lots of fun with tips and tricks to make your life easier. So come and join me and Life Hack It. Next time you go camping or go somewhere where you have no access to perhaps clean water and stuff like that, keep sugar in your first aid kit. Here's the reason why. If you cut yourself, especially on the hands where it's hard to stop the blood flow, apply sugar on it. It will not only help you stop the blood flow, but also will help in the healing process. It looks like every time I hold Pepita, well, I did wake her up from a nap. But anyway, one cool thing that I learned, this one doesn't do it. This one looks like a hybrid between a cat and a dog. So some of the tricks that work for your dog don't work with her. So, but I did hear from a friend of mine who has a cat, to keep her kitty very entertained is she hides boxes. Cats love boxes, so different sizes of boxes. And inside the boxes, she hides treats. So the cat actually goes hunting for treats. And then a friend of mine who has a dog told me that in order to keep her dog entertained and sharpen her sense of smell, she actually hides treats on them. I'm trying not to say it loud because this one may actually go crazy. Right now she looks like she's snoring. I don't know if you can hear it. Hi, sweetie. Shall we go? I was on a break, and while I was in a break, I decided to yawn. And I had read a really cool trick to stop yawning, and it actually worked. So as soon as you kind of begin that yawny, just put the tongue on the roof of your mouth, and it worked. Try it and let me know. beach party. Nothing better than something really spicy. And last time I went to a beach party, the guy who made the party actually had those neon sticks hanging around the perimeter of where everybody was gathering. But the coolest part about it was they actually used inside the coolers the sticks as well, because they were far away from the fire and there was no light. The best way to actually see what was in it was through those neon sticks. That was really cool. For those of you who get car sick, Ryan told me that his doctor told him that the best way to deal with a long ride, either being through mountains or buses, he actually resets his equilibrium by moving his head side to side. Guys, I hope you like this life hack it video. Looking forward to hearing about your comments and all the fun things you're doing. And until next time.